Here's where expectation comes in. When you expect something to happen, you're not hoping for it or wishing for it, you're knowing it. You're living as if it's already happened. And that's when the universe starts to respond. See, the universe doesn't understand the difference between what's happening in your outer world and what's happening in your inner world. When you can create the feeling of having what you want before you actually manifest in your physical reality, that's when you become a true creator. It all starts with your thoughts and with your energy. Every thought you think sends out a signal to the universe. It's like dropping a pebble into a pond. Ripples spread out and they affect everything around you. When you think thoughts of lack and fear, you're sending out a signal that creates more of them experiences into your life. But when you choose to think thoughts of abundance, love, and possibility, you're creating a whole different reality. You're tuning into a different frequency, one where miracles not are only expected but are possible. It's not about your thoughts, it's about your energy, it's about your vibration. When you feel stressed, anxious, you're vibrating at a low frequency. But when you can relax and you can trust and feel joy before your desires come in and manifest, that's when you're vibrating at the frequency that attracts miracles.